Hey guys, Karix here with another review. This time I'll bring the Shuriken Souchaku Ninnin buckle from Shuriken Sentai Ninninger. This is the Nin Ninger's belt that you can use to store 2 Nin Shuriken for easy access. So this includes 2 things: the Nin Nin buckle, which comes in several pieces, and 1 Nin Shuriken. So to start, let's take a look at the Nin Nin buckle itself. So taking a look at it, it's a pretty standard Sentai belt, which is made from the flexible, same kind of flexible, not gold plastic, but like goldish yellow plastic that a lot of past Sentai belts have been made with, along with a chrome buckle. And this one has a very simple and flat design, basically just being a rectangle with some angles to it. Then these 4 just kind of studs on the front, and with a little raised part in the middle. And this is very reflective and very mirror-like, and so basically the reason I'm pointing it up at an angle like this is just so it doesn't reflect my camera. However, despite that being in the name, the buckle is not really the important part of this belt. What is important are these 2 Nin Shuriken holders on the sides, which are molded in metallic gold plastic. These ones have a bit more intricate designs to them. And they're basically based on the Shuriken port of the Ninja Ichibanto. You can see they have a rather rounded design, with some notches and other details on the sides. On the inside you've got the hexagonal pattern with the N in the middle, 2 clips for holding the shuriken into place, little button up here for releasing them, with the arrow just saying to push down. Then on the back you have the clip, which has a couple of arrows here and here, as well as the Nin Ninja symbol on the back. You got the belt parts in the back, which has the straps, the various notches for adjusting it, as well as these 2 clips for holding the straps in place so they don't go flopping around. Taking it apart, taking a look at the back. It's not too special, it's just got screws and the copyright data, but this will allow me to show how it's put together, in that there are 2 parts to it, a left one and the right one. The left strap has an L in the corner, and the right strap has an R on the other corner. And so when you first get it, you're going to want to take the left strap and basically loop it all the way through here. Until it gets to this point. You're going to put in the other one, and using these notches, just snap it into place. And then you can set it and adjust it to whatever size you like. Making sure you have on the 2 clips to secure it. And then just slide them into place. And you've got the belt. So then the included shuriken is the Shiro Ninja Shuriken. Shiro Ninja being the White Ranger. So she's one of the 2 female rangers, which is quite nice to see female representation. So taking a look at the design, you start with the outer blade, which has, the end design on it with some other kind of molded-on details. And for her, the shuriken shape has diamond-shaped blades. And looking at the core, you can see a picture of Shuriken Ninninger here, with her helmet design. And the one thing you'll notice is that, unlike Aka Ninninger and Ao Ninninger, though she still has a visor which has the top shuriken blade be silver, and then the rest being black, hers has a pink outline to it. You also notice a bit of pink in the background on the sticker. And this is actually kind of a trend with female White Rangers in Sentai, that with the exception of Ninja White from Ninja Sentai Ranger, every white female ranger has been white with pink trim, and this dates back to Change Mermaid from Dengeki Sentai Changeman, who is the first female White Ranger. Besides that, you can see the rest of her down here. You can see that she has white trim to the rest of her suit, Nin Nin symbol here, and then the kanji for white, or Shiro, right here. You can flip up this, reveal the same face printed on the sticker. You got the two clips on the side. So removing the blade, got the core by itself. Putting on the button on the back, you'll get the ranger name. Then twisting it on, you'll get the shuriken name. And of course, matching up with the color, it has a white light. Then pressing the button on the back, you can get its attack sound. Or I guess its individual sound, which is a howl. So there's that. And of course, we can use it with the Ninja Ichibanto. So bring that in, set it on. And sometimes, because of the way the shuriken work, they can accidentally go off sometimes. Let's do that again. Then the waza. And the individual attack. And so for the functionality, obviously these store in shuriken. So you just want to line it up like so, and snap it into place. And then you've got the shuriken attached. And this locks very securely into place, so it won't fall out at all. And to remove it, you have to press on the button and then pull out. And you can, of course, put it at any one of the points, since they're all uniform. And as said in the beginning, you can store up to 2 on here, so you can take something like the Otomo Shuriken, which in this case I have switched out the regular blade for another Shiro Ninja blade, and I'll explain that in my Shuriken review. Then you can just place it on here like this. And you can mix and match and use any 2 Ninja Shuriken you want. Now obviously this is designed for children. However, there was something clever in the design. Now, though most adults won't be able to wear this belt, and there aren't special extenders for the Sentai-size belt straps, you can actually take the clips on the sides, off of the buckle, or off of the belt it came with. And you can take these and put them onto a normal everyday belt. So you don't really need the belt, but the two actual shuriken holders are quite useful. At the very least, you can use them with the belt for display purposes. And so that's about it. Overall, a very simple design for a belt, but it is at least nice that you're not actually constrained by the belt itself, and that you can actually still, use what this was designed for with your own belt. And it does do that well. A very simple function, and it does hold them in place well. Plus, you get the Shuriken Ninja Shuriken. So, if you are a fan of Shuriken Ninja and want to get into her Shuriken right now, then this is worth picking up. Though, possibly for, it's something you wouldn't want to pay too much for. Simply because, outside of that, you just get the Shuriken and the belt and nothing else. I guess it kind of depends on if you want to take Shuriken around with you, store them on your belt, and if you actually want this Shuriken, or if you can wait and get it later. Honestly, I think this might have been a bit more worth it if it included a second Nin Shuriken, just to kind of make up for the fact that the actual buckle doesn't really have any play value and it's just for storage purposes. So, obviously, this is the kind of thing where you can get it if you want, but it is definitely something that you can pass as well. So, in the end, it is up to you. But it's nice that it at least gives you the option to get the functionality out of this that normally you would need the belt for without actually using the included belt. So, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and check out my channel for more videos, as well as my Facebook page. And for now, this is KRX50, writing off.